When I heard when you proposed about the full ride from Ha to Trasigang on bicycle, I thought like that man is crazy, you know. It's just like it's in kind of impossible.
I had long heard that Bhutan's environmental policies aligned with my thinking. So in 2024, I set out on the world's first bikepacking journey across its breathtaking landscapes.
Victor found this seriously rugged and ancient trail across most of the country that had never been cycled before and that looked like a great fit for us.